That new gar is all fired up. Look at him. Say, what's going on, Cuffaros?
What's going on, Cuffaros?
What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. We are here in the fish room right now. Today, we're gonna be doing all sorts of stuff. Spilling the tea on a couple upcoming projects. We got gifted something really cool. Feeding the animals at the farm. Of course, we can never not feed the animals. Look at all these little things. And buying new stuff for the saltwater aquarium behind me here. And of course, a couple more different things. Stick along, stay tuned. Again, thank you to our sponsor, API, for sponsoring today's video. They've got all sorts of fish medications, water conditioners right here, and a bunch of nutritional products. You can actually get 15% off all API products right now. Top link in the description on Amazon. I don't promote things I don't truly believe in. API has never gave me a single issue in the past, and that's why I continue to use them and literally showcase them in my fish room, quite literally showcase. You can get 15% off all API products right now using the link in the description. Every product is on Amazon. Top link in the description, code 15PAUL, 15PAUL, you'll get 15% off your order. Thank you so much, API, for sponsoring today's video. Now, let's go feed the animals and get right on into today's video. Woo! Mia, you wanna go farm? Wanna go farm? Let's go to the farm and see the animals! Yeah! Loaded up on food, and we're here. The dogs are ready. Go! Look at all these little things. Woo! Come on, Gary, get in there. Woohoo! Yeah! That tastes good, huh? Kevin, what's up, Kev? Yay! A little bit there, a little bit there, a little bit there. Oscar, stop being a bully. Look how cute they are, though. They're only like 5.5 weeks old. They're growing fast. And just like that, the farm is fed. It's like I'm pumping gas, but it's water. Every single jug is now filled. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 30 gallons of RO water. Now typically this is something I usually don't film, but hey, why not? Today I'm filming it. My boy Andy just pulled up to the aquarium shop, not Andy the owner of the shop, a different Andy, and actually hooked me up with my own RO system. I was telling him how I come here literally almost every day and fill up these 5-gallon jugs because I have that fish room. I'm actually expanding the fish room. That's another hint for upcoming content. I'm gonna blow you away, I'm telling you. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. But in that case, I need my own RO system, especially since this place is a little further from this location. That makes this water. So you pretty much just hook it up to your water system, yada, yada, yada. And he gave me a full-on, literally an entire RO system out of the back of his truck. He's like, you want one? I'm like, that'd be dope, I'll buy one off you know? And he's like, no, just have this one. So Andy, if you're watching, I appreciate that. This one in particular is 75 gallons per day, which is a lot more than it seems. I just did 30 gallons and that'll last me like, you know, a couple days. Having this is going to be an absolute game changer, and I'll install that once we do the next one. I can't give you too much information, all right? These are just little hints. I'm gonna load up the rest of these water jugs and then we'll be on our way back into the store because we're buying more. Good to go on water. Now let's go back in and make some purchases. Coming straight over to the coral here. We're gonna get a bunch of coral. I think our saltwater tank in the fish room is looking a bit bland. Let's see if they got anything cool. Oh my goodness, cool, look at this. Hey bud, look at that thing's face. There's another eel in there. We're gonna be doing a lot of saltwater stuff coming up here in the next couple months. That thing is cool. Oh wow, he's aggressive too. Japanese hawk, $200. Those are some interesting looking clownfish right there. What kind of clowns are those?
Gold nugget clowns?
Gold nugget?
Yep.
Gold nugget. Use my metal detector on those suckers. Look at how pretty you are, Nemos. A whole bunch of Nemos. More Nemos, but those are black snowflake. So these are a bit more expensive, but super, super pretty. So we did a little circle here, and we're at the coral.
Easy
all right?
to take care of.
We'll just do one of each, one of everything. So one of those, one of these.
Yep, neon green sinuera leather coral.
The mushrooms I have in the farmhouse tank, those are sick. That thing is pretty nice. It's 120 bucks, that one?
I was gonna do one of these, but that's 250 bucks. So I think we're gonna go towards that one right there.
That is the fastest I've ever went shopping for corals. Technically, these are easy to take care of, correct?
Yes, sir.
My tank isn't fully there for like the hardier stuff, so we're buying stuff that's a lot easier.
You got the right choice, the biggest one in there.
Yes, sir.
Love that. You just putting them in those now?
Yeah, easier.
That's a lot easier. And we need, never can have enough. That one ain't gonna fit in the little cup. Big old mushroom right there. Thank you, brother. Deuces. We got everything we need in here. Everything we need back there. Now, whew, I just spend so much money when I go in aquarium stores, it's dangerous. I can't be the only one. If you're watching right now and you do the same thing, we could be friends. I'm not kidding. Yeah, this is my saltwater tank. Inside of this tank, we have arrow crabs, clownfish, a couple corals, some snails, or hermit crabs. I don't really know what they are. A little tiny fish we caught at the local bridge over here, a coral banded shrimp, and yeah, that's it. But today we're adding a bunch of corals, and it's going to look a lot better. It'll pop this tank. Right now it's a bit dull, as you can tell, but with all these corals in here, it should brighten up. This is like my mini little reef tank, my mini reef tank. We're doing a big reef tank here in like January, but this is the mini version. We also have another saltwater tank right here that's very bland, but that's because it has a peacock mantis shrimp in it and it's gonna destroy anything.
Look who just came out to say what's up. How you doing, buddy, you friggin' weird
Species, my camera can't even focus on you. Little guy hides in there half the time till I put a little shrimp or a crab. But today we have bought a bunch of new things for the saltwater tank, aka coral. Let's pop the top off. I also bought this thing, you put the cube in there, the frozen cube, and it doesn't end up getting stuck to this, because otherwise the cube floats around and then gets stuck to that and all the food just goes in the filter. So I put it in there, it defrosts and just goes right into the tank. Super cool invention, I had to buy one, and it goes up and down with the water. Our first coral going in though is our giant mushroom. Now keep in mind, all of these corals are going to be for now, but I will in this video show you them all a couple days from now. Over here we have our 3 others. I wonder if these float, because that would be perfect for acclimating. Oh, look at that. Ha! And plunk. That's awesome. I'm actually gonna bring those back to Andy so that he can reuse them. Look at our new corals. I am so stoked for this. So adding a couple more corals to our tank today. I can't be the only excited one here. You wanna see more saltwater stuff? Smash the like button for me. I have our mixture of flakes and 2 different turtle pellets, as well as some sinking pellets for the other fish. Just pour all that in, and when I mean everyone feasts, everyone feast. Look at all these fish. The albinos are on the rock basking, as always. In the back there, you can see an Indian spotted down there. Right here is a little, oh, he just ate one. Last video, we got a couple of turtles. Very rare, expensive turtles. If you look really closely, you'll see the albino Chinese soft shell, just his head sticking out of the sand. That turtle is so cool, and I can't wait to see him get big, but he's just vibing. He's literally almost nearly invisible. I'm honestly surprised we even got a shot of him, because I have not seen him at all. This pond, though, is just so awesome. 120 gallons. It's got a bunch of turtles in it. I'm trying to look for the other turtles that we got. Oh, there's one. Here, let me grab him. There he is. Look at the colors on him. Got that guy the other day as well. Whoop. I think it is about time. These corals are definitely acclimated and ready to go in. Typically, sometimes I don't even acclimate corals. I'll just put them in. But I did today. Coral number 1 going in right here. That's a good spot for that one. This is my favorite one. It's another torch, just like the one we have right there. I feel like I'm unboxing some sort of toy. Okay, I won't lie. The only bad thing about these cups is getting the coral out. Now that the weight is at the bottom, it's kind of hard to like flip it. I don't want to injure the coral. Watch out, coral bandit, move. Now this sucker right here, oh yeah. Look at how pretty that is. All right, the other corals are in. Last but not least, we have our massive mushroom coral. Oh, I almost dropped it. This thing is a honky-donk size of a coral. There we go. It has been a couple hours now, and all of our corals are opened up. They look amazing, especially, like I mentioned, my favorite is gonna be the mushroom. I put it right on the top of the rock, and this thing is gonna grow and actually kind of hug around the rocks.
So as you can see, the mushroom is right there, and it's literally going to hug around this rock as it grows.
I'd like to get all these glued down. Right now, they're kind of just sitting on the plugs. When Tommy does come and do another clean out on this, I think he actually comes tomorrow, because he's got to clean this one too. Tommy, if you're not familiar, is the guy who cleans my saltwater tanks. Tommy will glue all these down. The saltwater tank looks absolutely amazing. It has more corals in it. Definitely need more fish. I mean, it's a little bland, but I have yet to buy more fish just because I don't know what to get. So this is where I need you, the Cuffaro's help. Comment down below what kind of fish I should get for the saltwater tank. I believe this is a 30-gallon tank, so 30 gallons. Let me know. Do me a favor, comment, and I'm gonna go through these comments and pick. And if I pick the fish that you said to get, I'll make sure to put that screenshotted comment right up on the screen in one of those upcoming videos. So make sure to subscribe and turn the bell on so you don't miss out. Again, it's about that time of year. Get yourself some PC merch, PaulCuffaroBrand.com. Top link in the description. This is one of my favorites right here. I have got all the animals. Look at them. All of them on my back. I'm telling ya, you want it before Christmas, you gotta cop it now. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you right back here in that next video. Boom!